Hey guys, it's Emily the Relentless Dreamer with Lily and our naked faces. I've not done like a chatty makeup video for a really long time, if ever. Wait, no, I have done it with like friends. Tutorial hours, sunscreen. You see, I'm halfway through a step.
I just like seeing you flinch.
Rude. Wow, I look so tired. You're there with like literally no makeup on your face, just looking great, and I'm here like...
Hey, I got bored last night and did like a skin routine.
I do skin routine every day.
I'm using this Nivea tinted moisturizer, which I found.
Most of my stuff when it comes to bases is just stuff that I buy from like Big W or Woolies. So I guess you would call them drugstore brands. So it's nothing too exciting. Maybelline.
But hey, you're gonna be a uni
Port
student.
minimizing prime. So
you're gonna need the broke stuff.
Focus it on like the parts that get creasy around my mouth, my chin, and around my eyes, my nose. Concealer, because clearly we be looking a bit tired, a bit run down. Lily and I are both in a musical at the moment, Shrek the Musical. It's gonna be amazing, but it's like this close, it's like performance in less like 7 days.
Yeah, and we're in the middle of practicing
everything
with
is
costumes
crazy.
and props.
So this is also why I haven't been around so much, because I'm tired. Concealer, I just use Revlon Color Stay.
Rimmel. Rimmel. Showing my inner drama kid.
Your inner drama kid. You are entirely every part of you a drama kid. I know you're supposed to put concealer on second, and it always bugs me, but like it's darker than my foundation. Even though my foundation is probably too light, I'm having an ongoing crisis about that at the moment, because I've actually been out in the sun, y'all. My skin's not like actually white. Yeah, you generally take it off and put the wig on last.
Yeah.
You gonna do that?
That's what people do that aren't pros.
You ever seen a drag queen get ready?
Why not take it off?
That's DIY. Wig cap is...
Tell them about this necklace.
Oh yes!
They're like sweets.
And they're made by Peachy Bean, which I love on Twitter. You should definitely check out her stuff because she's so cool, and also she's so cute. I think I need to wet my beauty blender, which means I have to get up and leave. Oh, the pain. Next up I have foundation. What is this? Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. Fair Porcelain. Lily and I have been watching like heaps of horror movies lately, which has been great. We also watched them with her now 13-year-old brother. So
he's fine.
We're a great influence.
I think he's less scared than I am.
Yeah, he just talks the whole way through and it's freaking hilarious.
And I'm like, shut up, something important's happening.
I have finally some more mattifying translucent powder. There it is. Oh!
With my BYS contour palette.
For y'all who can't see, I just got...
Her outfit is set.
You did that on purpose, did you?
Yeah.
Okay. I can never tell.
Why? Because I can never crack a joke.
Ah! Oh, yeah. No, no, you're funny.
Oh my god. I'm using this new brush I got. It's meant for foundation, but I see it as a good contour brush.
Have you used it before?
Nope.
Have you done too much? You too bored your contour? Contour!
Oh yeah, you left that at my house. Good palette.
So I contour like my cheekbones and then like my jawline. Can't be bothered contouring my nose because I always screw it up, so I never contour my nose. Blending is key. Oh,
we're blending. You know the movie Blended?
No.
Has Adam Sandler in it.
That's probably why I haven't watched it. For blush today we're using this Be Beauty blush powder, which I got from Big W for $2. And then I just put that like on the top of my contour and try to make it not like ah. Blush is good because it makes you look like you're alive, and sometimes I feel like I don't wear enough blush, but then I find I can also cross into the other side and then be like only blush. Colourpop, providing the goods. I made this palette like a million years ago, so like half of the things are half empty. I chucked a random highlighting shade in there and I'm gonna use it. I just put it on my nose, on my cupid's bow, and I put it on my chin, like literally everywhere. Cheek bone, obviously. Brow bone. I feel like this is actually not the real palette. I don't know if I've said that before because my friend got it for me off of Wish and she said it was certified,
Wish.
but I'm like, I generally just use this for my brows nowadays. Before I get onto my eyeballs, I want to say what I'm actually doing in this video, which is testing out some falsies. Was given to me by TTDI, which is a brand I've worked with a lot in the past. Now, I know a lot of people have commented with like, and are not necessarily the happiest with TTDI. Bit of a controversial brand to support. So this is my last video for them. My experiences personally, especially like with the lady I've been working with and their customer service, have been really good. So I am not going to speak bad from them from my personal experience, but I also want to acknowledge that's only my experience and that's not as a customer, that's as an affiliate. With that out of the way, I'm gonna do my eyeballs. I want to do more of a like a graphic liner look because I'm doing that a lot in my life lately, but I haven't actually done it on the internet. What are you doing on your eyeballs right now, Lily?
I'm gonna do a pink because...
A pink? Just for something new?
Yeah. I'm trying to do my...
Have you got pink in your eyebrows?
Yeah, I'm putting pink in my eyebrows as well.
Nice. I wish that my eyebrows were light enough so that I could like put colour in them.
Just bleach your eyebrows.
I've considered it especially when I had like
when you had
blonde / grey platinum hair. I'm using, I should probably say, palette I got from my Secret Santa. Thanks Scarlett, you're amazing. You'll probably not watch this, but if you do, you're amazing. This fiery or something like that. It looks like this. And it's got lots of very cool colour. So I'm using that lattice colour in the top corner to, as I usually do, start figuring out what shape I want to do with my eyeshadow. So I usually start just in the corner, blending it up and around. And I guess it's like that transitional shade, and then I can add in the colours that I actually want to do, which will probably be red burgundies today. Maybe I'll do like more browns today.
Yeah.
With, I want to try that red liner. And I'm bringing that colour underneath my eyeballs. I was gonna be like the blending, the blending, the blending, the blending, the blending. How I know.
Book tickets to see our show. Oh wait, you can't because we sold out.
Okay, I didn't say what else I was doing. I'm now putting a brown, which is like, it seems like a lighter cool base brown, and I'm kind of deepening up that shape that I made with that colour that I decided was going to be a nice transition shade, because I don't want to go like too ham on my eyeball colour because I want to do more stuff with my eyeliner. I might add a slight red tone, so I'm choosing a burgundy colour, the one with like a bit of sparkle.
You gotta have a bit of sparkle.
Gotta have a bit of sparkle in your life. I'm putting it on my bottom lash line because that is just what my motor responses decided we were gonna do. You don't think, you know, with makeup, you just feel and you do. And I'm putting that burgundy shade up in that outer section of my eye. And that's just made the whole look go burgundy, which is not really what I was going for, but I don't know what else I expected to happen when I put it where all the colour was.
Yeah. I chose this really cute colour called Delish.
Delish. Oh, it is cute. It's like a coral.
Delish. This palette's like chocolate themed, so they're all named after chocolate.
Hell yeah. I'm going to go back to the brown goldy colours that I was using before, I think, and put like a bit of sparkle on my lid. The sparkle just changes everything. I feel like it gives a look more dimension. I guess it's like when you have different textures in an outfit. I'm also gonna use the highlighting shade from the Playhouse palette by Cult Candy Cosmetics, which is like my favorite palette at the moment, by Jasmine Bean. So like, look at these colors. The like highlight shade is like, it's called Baby, and it's like a green highlight, super shimmery, and I love it. So I'm putting that in the corners of my eyeballs with my pinky finger.
I'm putting yellow in the corner of mine.
Hell yeah. And then I'm putting it on my brow bone. I am going to do a bit of black under my lower lash line as well, like halfway along. Now I bought this eyeliner the other day and it just looks fancy and the color is red and I want to try it, but I also don't know what I want to do.
Oh my god.
Whoa!
That matches your dress really well.
It's like freaking perfect.
Sparkles.
I'm just gonna do something, you know.
You have a vision.
I'm not even sure if I could call it a vision just yet. I'm really angry about my hair. Look, it's like growing out so spiky. Look at this. Look at this. It needs to be shaved.
I can shave if you want.
I
Next
don't.
video?
No. Video after that is just like Chris raging.
Chris just yelling for a solid 2 hours. What did you do to my girl's hair?
No, he wouldn't yell. He would just like, he would just look and then sigh really disappointedly.
Or roll his eyes.
Or just like, you know, touch it and just kind of like tilt his head and just be like, why did you? Or just like,
that wasn't me.
I didn't really explain what I was doing with my eyeliner, but I usually just like create a line first and then like bring it back in really thick. So I'm kind of just making it up as I go along.
I just do mine and hope for the best.
Hoping for the best is always like a good move. Eyeliner concentration is just like a lot.
I know.
So I've brought it down in the middle quite a bit as well. Full commitment to the eyeliner game today.
I think I hold my breath sometimes when I'm doing my eyeliner.
Yeah,
And then I come out of it and I'm like,
we've got like a decent wing going on here. There we are, in the middle. It is a bit messy, but that's fine because the good thing about when you wear massive lashes, it covers a lot. But I do want to make it bigger. So to do that, I'm going to draw like a line downwards from the bottom of my top lash line. Add like a curve to the bottom of the wing so it's not straight, and then like I attach it to my bottom lash line, and it's really confusing and I don't know why, but this works for me. Now I'm gonna do what I do where I'll do like a couple of liner lines underneath, which I generally just kind of like find the angle I want and just like drag it up towards my eye and hope for the best. My eyeliner face is like interesting right now. Like I'm determined to do something successful here.
so dramatic.
It's not working with me.
It's a battle.
It feels like it.
My eyeliner's like fighting back.
Oh no. Unsuccessful. The lines are two different angles. Help. I'm just gonna have to make it bigger.
Why does one look so good and the other doesn't? Look, this one looks really good. And then I'll just keep my face this way.
Okay, so we have two issues here, but it's too much and too late to do much about it, so it's fine. Oh, it's really not that fine. I haven't even got onto the black liner yet. That's right, I have faith in the black liner. So while I'm waiting for that liner to just dry a little bit more so I don't accidentally mess it up again, I'm going to just put on some lipstick, which isn't going to be too hectic. I'm just using Revlon, again, in the shade Plumalicious. I generally just chuck it on my lips and then just smudge it in with my finger.
I'm gonna use my Wild Thoughts one, which Emily picked out for me.
I'm not going to do anything too crazy with this liner. I'm just going to do it over the lash line again. This is so stressful. This is taking so long. This is going to be such a long video. Because the lashes that I'm going to be using today are going to be quite big, I'm going to just draw some bottom lashes because I don't have any lower lashes. It's black. This mascara, I can't tell what it is. It's Maybelline something, but it's everything's rubbed off. Now I am lucky enough to have like lashes that I don't need to wear falsies for. You know, when you just want to be extra, why not? I feel they're especially good if you do like quite a big eye look, because they're just that extra like little element of like, whoa. So this is the finished look without falsies. Yes. See, eyeballs, fanciness. So these are the lashes.
Ooh,
and
come to the spot, please.
Yeah, the cases are really actually quite cute. There are these ones, which are cute.
They are big.
These are big, but they're not as big as the other ones. They're the smallest ones. Yeah, I have actually worn these before.
Oh yeah, they're actually.
These ones are really big. I wore these in one of my Instagram posts. You're more than welcome to check out. I did quite a out there graphic liner look. They're a statement of their own. These are just pairs of the same lashes. These are quite long, but they're also pretty neutral. And the ones that I am tossing up that wearing today are hectic. So they're these ones. They're really thick and long and fluffy. They were in where I've already taken them out of this box because I was gonna wear them last time. This brand, there are the details. I think I'm gonna wear these.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're like, really?
You talk them up enough.
Yeah, well, no, because they're big, and I'm like, these lashes are all big and statement, and I've got such a big eye, I don't want the lash to get lost. They didn't come with adhesive, unfortunately, so I went and bought my own. So I'm gonna use these ones. You can use any of the other ones.
I think I'll try these.
Hell yeah, do it. So I've already trimmed those ones to my face. I am not a lash expert by any means, but I do love a bit of extra fanciness. So I'm just gonna like hold these lashes up and see approximately how much I want to trim off. Whoa, these are gonna look so cool. Look how cool they are.
Oh my god.
I'm really excited. Whoa.
They are freaking pretty.
I'm gonna cut off one of the things on the end and see if that's enough. I can always cut off more, but you can't stick it back on.
Hi!
They're actually really, really cool. I really like them.
Okay. I'm not used to wearing the lashes. I wore them for formal.
They're very Katy Perry, you know?
Yes. So is this wig, so, you know.
Yeah, well that's sort of like in your makeup and everything.
I'm not a wooden boy!
I have a glandular condition. Look
And
here,
it would
ogre.
have like, what was the sound they made?
Ooh.
Oh shit, I was so focused on that, I forgot the glue on my lip.
No one knows what we're talking about. We're talking about Shrek the Musical.
I have a glandular condition.
It's consuming our life.
Like when people ask to hang out and you're like, I can't, I have rehearsals.
This lash is just like adding everything to the look. Okay. We have the lashes on our face. Mine are still drying. Lily's been done for a while now. They're cute.
They're so bold, I love them. We're gonna call these the Katy Perry lashes.
Yeah, your look is just very Katy Perry today. My lashes are cute as well. They're really bold and fluffy. Do you like our looks? We've spent approximately a really long time doing these looks today, so I hope you appreciate them. Like, we've been here for like 2 hours.
2.5 hours.
So we're probably gonna go get ice cream.
Tell us your favorite flavor ice cream.
Yes!
Those are the important questions.
Those are the important questions though. Wait, but before you go, I need to show you guys my latest purchase. Can you please wear that?
Oh my,
You have to wear that! It's backwards! You dumbass!
friendship.
I love it. It's like, the shade is like perfect. You can have that. Because I haven't worn it for my
I'll
stuff.
cry.
So I bought some new shoes.
Yes.
This is completely unrelated to like anything, but I'm waiting for my lashes to dry before I do anything. So let me do like a really quick, I'm gonna show you my shoes. So Demonia, obviously. But look at these. These are the Emily 375.
They look so comfy.
They're the Emily 375. It's my name! Did you understand?
I do now. Oh, so they're actually called Emily, is that what you're
Yeah,
saying?
these are the Emily shoes, like
What?
Emily 375s, because they name it after the song.
I thought you were
and
just saying like that's
No,
what you're gonna call them.
no. This is the Emily 375.
What the hell?
And I'm really excited. I just wanted to tell you that I got new shoes.
They are beautiful.
Anyway, hope you liked our video. Lily has a channel where she does singing and stuff, so like suss it if you want. But we're gonna let you go, and I'm gonna take like 3 years to edit this. But I've had a lot of fun, and I'm glad that I could finally show you a bit more of the makeup style that I've actually been doing in my everyday life. Anyway, we're gonna go eat ice cream. Bye!
Bye!